Well, good afternoon. My name is Jan van Schaik. I'm the sales manager of SPS TechnoScreen, and we're going to introduce to you a brand new generation of cylinder screen printing press, the Astron QX series. The Astron QX is not just a new machine, it's really a new generation. What we have here is a complete new servo drive on cylinder and screen issues. We have camera registration for the image, so we can work with this machine in the traditional way using sheet edge registration, but we can also work with this machine where we do the registration based on the image. One of the beautiful things on this machine is also that we took special attention for the ergonomics of it. This is a 4-post machine that will raise the top frame about 40 centimeters up, and the operator can slide out the screen to go to the underside of it. Ergonomics are getting more and more important, and screen printing is a difficult job, and we're trying to make it easier for them. The other topic that we gave special attention to in this machine is to shorten the setup times. What we see in screen printing is that run lengths are getting shorter and shorter, and very often people are changing many screens per day, and the setup time is really an important issue. On this machine we are capable of changing the screen, putting a new screen in, back on registration in less than 1 minute. And I'm going to show you how we do it. We have a position here where the screen is going automatically in a release position. I'm going to take out the used screen. This screen has 2 extra fiducials. These 2 extra fiducials are used to bring the next screen back in registration. Sliding it in, traditional way, having it against a 3-point lay stop. Pushing the button for screen calibration. So we're going to calibrate now, and what you will see is that the screen is now looking for the correct position. You actually see the whole screen carrier move. This will take about 20 seconds, and after the 20 seconds this screen is completely set and in registration. You're done. This whole procedure takes less than 1 minute. What we see here is 2 cameras, and they are fixed to the side lay of the machine. The fiducial that we just showed in the screen is 190 millimeter from the front side of the sheet and 10 millimeter on the inside. And because the cameras are connected to the side lay, there are no extra adjustments to be made when you change the size of your sheet. Because when you change the size of your sheet, you will also change the position of your side lay. And with that, you have also adjusted the cameras. 2 cameras looking at fiducials, screen is being adjusted to the image that we see, and we achieve an accuracy of plus and minus 40 microns. The Astron QX has a complete new squeegee bridge. The squeegee bridge is actually a machine at itself, and it's electronically connected to the base of the machine. What we can see is we no longer work with pneumatics. We work with servo motors to bring the squeegee and the flood coater up and down. The factual pressure is set by means of hydraulics. All the related parameters that we can set on the squeegee and the squeegee bridge are captured in an HMI display mounted against the squeegee bridge itself. One of the beautiful functions of this machine is the function that we call combi stop. If the operator of this line sees some irregularity in his print, he's just pressing one button here, this yellow button. He's pressing it once, and what you will see is a number of actions that are following on this command. You will see 2 belts going down, making place for the operator to possibly stand in between. You have seen the top frame rising. You have seen the squeegee bridge rising. And what is really nice now is that I can slide out this screen to the side of the machine, and I have full access to both the top and also the bottom of the screen. This is what I said, we have given special attention to ergonomics of it. Pushing it back into position and the machine is right back into registration. And just one push, hold it fast, and all these movements are coming back to the original position. The operation of this machine is not anymore the traditional way. On this machine you can set recipes. We have various screens. This is the screen that you see when you are in simple running production. The production speed is 1000 sheets an hour. You have your counter, you have your speed of the squeegee. But what I would like to show you is going to a recipe. A recipe is a job, and I have the memory for 500 jobs to store. In this job, I can set all kinds of print parameters. I can set my print speed, but I can also say the coating speed, the flood coating speed, should be twice as fast as the printing speed. A beautiful feature is image manipulation. I can grow or shorten the image. Divide it in 20 different positions, and I'm free to take every position that I want, and I can grow it with a millimeter or shorten it with a millimeter. These features can all be done on the machine, but they can also be done on the desktop in the office. The machine is Industry 4.0 ready. That means it can communicate with your back office. You can write your recipes on your computer, you can upload them on the machine side. But the machine is also bringing you back all the production parameters. How fast did we print it? Why did this job cost me half an hour more than the next one? And this will enable management to optimize production systems. Well, as you have noticed, this film is taken at FESPA show in Munich, and that was from the 23rd to the 26th of May in 2023. After this show, this machine will go to our demonstration center in Wuppertal, and you are free to come and test it. In September, we will hold a relatively big open house in combination with ESMA organization. This year we will participate in one more exhibition, which is Automotive Interior in Stuttgart. Next year we have LOPEC in Munich, and we have Drupa in Düsseldorf on the agenda. Please feel free to contact us anytime you want for any personal introduction in this machine.